Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Nolte, and today I'll be unboxing my branded budget laptop backpack. It cost me less than $10, less than 750 rupees. I bought it from Amazon, and the link is going to be in the description box. You can check it by yourself. So let's unbox, and do subscribe the channel to support, guys. It's a huge laptop backpack, not those ordinary laptop backpacks. And the brand is F-Gear. Let's see the exterior first. There is a pocket over here. There is a front compartment over here. It's spacious, and I love the color. Black outside, orange inside. And the zips are Japanese. Two side pockets. Now let's see the back. Anti-sweat resistance. The straps are premium quality. The stitching is nice, and it's tough. Now let's see the main compartment. It's huge inside, very spacious. 15-17-inch laptop can easily fit over here. Now let's see the front compartment. This is also very huge, very spacious. And you can carry your mobile phones, tablet, power banks, charger, etc., etc. over here. Over here, a zip over here, and over here. That was my small review. I hope you liked it. The link is going to be in the description box. Again, you can check it by yourself. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to the channel to support. Bye.